Imagine making $3,000 a month without camera crew, without studio, without even filming yourself, just by using artificial intelligence.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel.
So, in this video, I will break down what creators are using, the real success stories, and how much you can realistically earn, whether it is just a trend or whether it's sustainable. So stick around to the end of this video because I will share how you can turn this into a long-time career path and with the right certifications and skills. So people will ask, what is AI Slope? AI Slope is a surreal, ultra fast AI video maker that is flooding TikTok, YouTube Short, and even Instagram. And I currently noticed it on Facebook too. So you can compare it to the meme culture. It is cheap, funny, and it's going viral. Example of the popular AI slow videos are blood if copyright. So creators earn around, let me say some creators, they earn around $2,000 to $3,000 per month with just 1 to 2 hours daily. So the tools behind this hustle, one is ChatGPT. Like you go to ChatGPT and ChatGPT will generate script for you, the concept you use, and the prompt that you are going to go and insert to make this video. The next one is 11 Labs. They are realistic voiceovers. You can do realistic voiceovers with them. Then the next one is OpenAI Sora, Pika, Runway Gen 2. These ones they are specialized in turning prompt text into videos. When you get those prompts from ChatGPT, you go to 11 Lab and make the voiceover. Then you go to OpenAI Sora, Pika, or Runway Gen 2 to make the videos there. Then you come to Canva and CapCut and do the editing, the subtitles, and do the packaging for virality. Like I said, you write a funny 10-second script using ChatGPT. Then you generate the voiceover in 11 Lab. Then you go and create the video in Sora, edit it in CapCut. Then it shows how a 10-second video will go viral and can be made just under 5 minutes. So the barrier to entry has dropped to almost zero. Then what took days or a week in a studio, within just 5 minutes you can make this video and it will go viral. So those barriers that you need money, you need time, energy, and all that, you have cut it down. Then how people are making money from these AI videos. One, they post it on platforms for monetization like ad revenue from YouTube Short, TikTok creativity program, then real play bonuses. Then selling your AI prompt on Discord, Gumroad or Patreon. Some prompts are sold for like $200 to $300. Then the next one on how you can make money from this your video is the commercial deals. Example is gambling brands use AI. I said gambling brands uses AI slope and NBA ad in just 72 hours, costing about $2,000 instead of $50,000. Affiliate marketing tie-in. Create AI videos reviewing products, then you add to affiliate links. If you're into affiliate marketing, you create an advert video of a product, then you post it on your affiliate link. Then the next one is upselling services. This one, they are offering AI video creation as a gig on Fiverr and Upwork. Then the real success stories behind these AI tools used in making money, we have number one, student making $3,000 per month by batching 30 AI videos per week. The next one is, the second success story is creators selling AI prompts, selling AI prompt packs for like $250 per drop. The third success story is small businesses using AI ads for 30% cheaper marketing. Then tie it back to your channel. This is why finance plus tech plus smart tools equals to unlimited opportunities. So imagine you get financial stability. So the dark side, that's the pros and the cons. The pros now, let me say the advantage now is they are fast, they are cheap, and they are fun. It requires low skill entry, but then high virality potential, multiple income stream. Then the cons, content oversaturation. That's everybody is doing it. Then the next one is ethical issues like deep fake misinformations. Then platform crackdown. That's AI spam flood feeds. Like they are just everywhere. Then it's just for a short time hype. You get? So this is where smart creators need to rise above the noise. Don't just create slopes. Create value-packed AI content so that even when the trend has passed, you can still get value out of that content. So the long-term path from the hustle to career, I suggest certification for credibility like Google AI Essentials, Coursera AI for everyone, then HubSpot content marketing certification. Then house certification will give you trust for brands. If you have certificate, you see brands will start bringing deals, freelance gig, and channel scaling. Your channel will start going viral. From there, more and more deals will start coming for you. Then earn money now with AI slope and build your future with real skills. That's why it's important, even when you want to go into the AI monetization program, you have to go ahead of the people. Yes, you have to go ahead of everyone so that your own content from AI will be packed with high valuable information so that People will always like to visit your site to learn more and get more knowledge about some certain things. So now, like I've said earlier, what is AI Slope? How it works, the tools, the monetization path and features. So would you like to try making AI videos for money, or do you think this is just a fad? Comment below. I want to hear your take on this. Yes, give me your comment so that I will know whether you want to try making use of these AI tools, or you just feel this is just a hype. But believe me, if you try it, you are going to enjoy it and you start making money, which I know you are not going to share with me. But it's okay. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends who are looking for a new side hustle. And if you want me to make a full step-by-step video tutorial showing you how to launch your AI channel from the scratch, let me know also in the comment section. I will gladly dedicate my time and make the full tutorial on how you can start the channel from the scratch and take it to the next level. And at the end of the day, you start making your money, brands will start calling for you, and I will also show you the site that you can use to get certification for your content, so that when people are coming for you, yes, you have a good portfolio to present to them, that yes, I'm real, I can deliver this job. It's not just a hype, but it's something of a long term that I have sat down and studied and make my investigation about it. I'm just not here to create content. I'm here to deliver values. So please like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.